guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am making a Mother's Day card using our makeup stamp from Not Too Shabby. It's a really fun makeup stamp, fun to color. I'll have the stamp listed in the description box for you. Today I want to make these images pop off the page, so I'm going to use some grays to add a little bit of shading around the image so they look like they're leaping off the page. So let's try to accomplish that effect today. So I'm going to use my C7, C5, and C3 marker today. Now I'm just going to decide where I want my shadows. So what I'm doing is taking my darkest. I got C3, C5, and C7, and I'm just taking my darkest and making a line right up against that stamped image where I want my shadow to be. And I'm just softening each layer with the lighter color. And then it begins to look like a shadow. This helps the image pop off the page. And then I soften it even more with my colorless blender. I'm not worrying about light source with my card. I just want the images to look like they're popping off the page. You could get technical and really dig into the light source and what side to put your shadow on. Okay, so I think that looks really cool. I think I might do some more shading on the little mirrors, maybe with a blue color. Just to give it some color. There we go. And now we can add a sentiment. I think that looks really cool. I think it looks really cool against a black card base. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere that. So I'm having a hard time covering up these beautiful images with my banner. So I think I'm just going to stamp Happy Mother's Day on the inside of the card. And I have a lawn fawn sentiment here. I'm going to use the VersaFine Clair. I love using this ink for sentiments. I have to add some shimmer to my card on the little makeup, so I'm going to get out one of my glitter pens. I'll use my Spectrum Noir. Or you know what? So I need to add some glitter to this card, of course, on the little palettes of eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this new liquid Pixie Dust by Ink on 3. So when you get this, you're going to want to shake it to get all that little shimmer throughout the liquid there. You can drop this in a little paint well or whatever you have that will just hold a little bit of liquid. And you just need a tiny little drop. This is going to last you forever. And you're going to take your paintbrush and you're just going to dab some on and then paint it onto your image where you want that shimmer. And this is going to give you a lot of shimmer. So I'm going to do, let's see, I'm not sure if I want to do all of them or just some of them. I think I'll do like every other row. And I'll do some on the lipstick. Because I do want the lipstick to be shimmery. There, I think that's good. Isn't that pretty? So I think I'm just going to leave the card plain. You could add some Nuvo drops to this. But I think it looks really cool like this, so I'm going to call it done. And then we've got room for your message on the inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this card. I will have the link down below to the stamp set. It's called Makeup by Not Too Shabby. Here is all the images that it comes with. You get lots to play with. Just pair it up with a sentiment for any occasion. You can use this stamp set for Mother's Day, birthdays, if you want to give someone a gift certificate to the salon, a teenager that loves makeup. There's a lot of ideas you can do with this, so really, really fun, and I'm so glad you guys joined me today, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys!